G'day guys, got a couple of baits out. Hey! Anyway, we go again. We are very lucky with the wind conditions today. Absolutely amazing. We're very, very lucky. Ooh, are we getting nibs or is that seaweed? I think we're getting nibs. I think. Definitely got nibs from that boat. More wind now. I think it was so calm because we got that wind change. Some more chunks on. Great mullet you can get at Castaway in Malaga. Hit it the boys if you're in WA. They'll look after you. Got all the knowledge about what's good, mate. Got the helipad landing mat. Left it at the house, spewing. So we'll take off from the bag today. Off we go. Alright, we can see okay. Going good. Going good. Good. Oh, I see some reef. Stop right there. All you have to do is push the button on the screen, bang, and save drop point location. It has released my bait, and we can now do a return to home. That's how easy it is. Oh, we're on. Are we? Yes, we are. Oh. Let's get this guy in. Oh, we're getting great head shakes. Let's go. This feels like a pinky. You can't be far away now. Oh, more head shakes. Oh, he's really fighting. He is fighting hard. Come on. Get in here. You beauty. Woo! And I've caught my other line. Woohoo! We are on, baby. You little ripper. Beautiful snapper. Beautiful little pinky. Very easy to change batteries on these puppies. Bang, you're on. So easy to attach the line, straight into the auto bait release. Bang, one button, done. So now we've got that waypoint saved, we can just go in, jump in the air, push a button, we're out. Let's go. Right, so all we have to do, go on the little H. Ah, there's my waypoint. Click. Let's go. Off she goes. Totally hands-free at this point. Heading out to our predefined area. There, it's stopped. It's turning around. And then deliver immediately. Bang, there she goes. Then one more button. Hold that one down. And we're returning to home, mate. Some days it goes according to plan. Others you shake your head and wonder what went wrong, but guess you just got to stay at it. Get out when you can. Just have fun doing it, really. Well, that was really cool. See what else we can do. Stoked. Thanks for tuning in. Can't wait for another one. We'll see you soon, guys.